Hi students, welcome to second lecture of CAD. In the last lecture we have seen the categorization of syllabus, how the 6 units of CAD is divided into computer graphics, finite element method and optimization. Now today's topic is introduction to CAD. Now, before moving on to the actual syllabus or teaching a syllabus, let me just give the list of books which are useful for this subject. The first is Computer Graphics in Mathematical Approaches by Kothari, Awari, Shrimankar and Bhende. That is myself. So, this is that book. About 25 copies are available in our library, and this book is useful for computer graphics portion of the CAD syllabus. Okay. Then the second is Mathematical Elements of Computer Graphics by David Rogers. So both these books, first and second, they are useful for computer graphics, which is nothing but the first 3 units of the syllabus. Okay. Now, third book is Finite Element Method by Belegundu and Chandrupatla. So this is useful for the finite element method based units, that is unit number 4 and 5. So this is useful for unit 4 and 5. And the last one, fourth one, is Optimization by Johnson. So actually this book is very old book. Its last edition is printed in the year 1982, and since then there is no printing of this book. So this book is very rarely available in the library. So if you talk about the Nagpur libraries, it is only available in the VNIT library, and that too only 2 copies. So you can take the Xerox of this copy. Actually, we have arranged the Xerox copy of this book in our library, so you can take the Xerox of this book. Okay. And this is basically useful for unit number 6. So these are the 4 books which are required for this syllabus. That is Computer Graphics in Mathematical Approaches by Kothari, Awari, Shrimankar and Bhende. It's a new age international publication. The second is Mathematical Elements of Computer Graphics by David Rogers. Third is Finite Element Method by Belegundu and Chandrupatla. And fourth is Optimization by Johnson. So these are the 4 books required. Okay. Now we move on to the introduction of CAD. Now first we will see what is CAD, how to define a CAD. So first we will see the definition of a CAD. So it is use of computer system in creation, modification, analysis and optimization of 2D or 3D design. So the definition of CAD says it is a use of computer system. Is a use of computer system in creation, modification, analysis, and optimization of 3D or 2D design. Okay. So any use of computer system for creation, modification, analysis, or optimization of a 2D or 3D design, so that is known as CAD. So any use of computer system for creation, modification, analysis, and optimization of 2D or 3D design, that is called as CAD. Now, what is a computer system? What do you mean by computer system? So, computer system or say computer. So, computer system or computer consists of basically three parts, that is hardware, and software. Basically, computer system requires hardware and a software. Now, this hardware is again categorized into three categories, that is input hardware or input devices, then processing devices, and the third one is output devices. Okay. Now, what are the input devices? Input devices such as mouse, keyboard, joysticks, all these are input devices. Then processing devices, the processor or motherboard or CPU, they are the processing devices. And output devices such as monitors, plotters, printers, all that are output devices. So this is the hardware part of a computer system. Then there is a software part. So software part basically requires software programming. So any software is developed by programming. So this is how a computer system is categorized. So computer system is categorized into hardware and software. Hardware is again categorized into input devices, processing devices,